another beautiful day, and when I meet you like this, I feel excited meeting you. My name is Pastor Georgespratz, aka Gypsy, your guitar teacher on YouTube. I feel very happy and excited whenever I pick my guitar and want to teach you something. This is just some very little exercise, something very little I discovered some years back. I'm going to teach you, and I know you will love it. I'm going to teach you an easy way to sound like a gypsy. I was so much fan of the gypsies. In fact, I like the Barilla Greens, the Seychellos. Why do I listen to them? Influences. So that I can pick some sweet things from them, some beautiful things from them, and use it for my own. Yes. I'm going to teach you some very simple trick about the gypsies. It's very short, and I hope you grab it very fast. Look, you know a triad, chords formed from the root, the thirds, either major or minor third, and a perfect fifth. Yes, you know this chord, right? I'm in the key of D, B minor. I'm going to first spell out the triads in this. So this is a minor chord, so we start from a La. La, do, mi, la, do, mi, la. Or when I start from the top. La, mi, la, do, mi, la. Yes. So this is for every chord, we are going to find out all the chordal tones or the chordal notes within the chord. And then find out that note which comes before the chordal note. This is just the trick. This is just one unique trick. So what are the chordal tones in this chord? 1, 2, 3, 4. What note comes before the La? La, Z. La, Z. Wow. What's the next chordal tone? Do, T. The next one is Mi, Mo. Wow, and I go back, I get another La here. Oh, be careful, guitar. La, Z. So listen to what I'm getting. La, Z, do, T. Mi, Mo. La, Z. Wonderful. So whenever you have a chord like this and you want to sound like a gypsy and locate that note that comes before the chordal tones. In actual playing, you can't use this style throughout, honestly. You have to incorporate many other styles you've learned, and then you chip in some of these things to make it so nice. I'll be demonstrating that for you very soon. In the meantime, my name is Pastor Georgespratz, aka Gypsy. In case you are looking for a one-on-one lesson with me, hey, people are doing it. It's now possible. Zoom has made it possible. All you need to do is to just pick the numbers slowly and call me after. In case you haven't subscribed to this channel, hey, what are you waiting for? There are beautiful and wonderful stuff here. Yes. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, don't waste time. Please subscribe and click on the notification bell. Yes, it's very relevant, it's very important. So that anytime we upload any new video, you don't miss that. Assuming we have the popular minor swing. with just one trick, one idea, just one idea. So this is the simple trick the gypsies use. And that is one of the simplest ways to start learning how to improvise. Yes, in a very simple term, learn this. Over a relative minor chord, over an A minor chord. If the chord moves to a re like this, it's the same technique I'm going to apply. What are the chordal notes, the triad in this chord? So then every note I move. So let's do here. Then when we go to the mi, E, I do the same. So I can have this is a very simple idea. Is this not beautiful? Yeah, so you grab this idea and you spread it all over the board. Apply it to every chord. And hey, you are going to sound like a gypsy. There's other tricks anyway. Sometimes they also add a note semitone above it. So you get some sort of triplet. La, zi, la. There's a T here. And that is a tone from the chordal note. So then this one, mi, mommy. Then the do, ti, add a tone, re. Then here. That is another important trick of the gypsies. Then, the gypsy minor, one of my favorite. That is when you add, so now listen to this. Now you've gotten. So, mi, mommy, let me add that one note, a fa, and that will change it, and that will give it a new scale called the gypsy minor. So, la, si, la, do, ti, do, mi, mommy, fa, fa, mi, mommy, fa, mi, mommy, fa, mi, mommy, fa, mi, mommy, si. That is the gypsy minor. So these are some of my few gypsy tricks. This is what I usually do. I learn from others, the jazz and others, and I try to incorporate that into my own style. The palm wine, the high life, the dagombes, and what have you. Enjoy and see how I use this. Bye-bye.